Let's continue chapter 14, that is chemical effects of electric current. Now let's know what is the direction of flow of electric current. You know very well that the flow of electric charges through a conductor produces electric current. So, an electric current is produced due to the flow of electrons. Electrons flow from negative terminal to the positive terminal of a battery through external circuit. During the earlier days, it was believed that the direction of flow of positive charges is from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery, and still today it is considered as the direction of conventional current. However, the actual flow of electric current is from negatively charged body to the positively charged body. Next is, do liquids conduct electricity? So the answer is yes. Most liquids conduct electricity, and these are the solutions of acids, bases and salts. So when the current is passed through these acidified water or bases and salts, so what happens? The water molecules split into hydrogen and oxygen. So let us do an activity to check whether the liquids are good conductors or not. So let's perform an activity to test that whether the liquids are good conductors or bad conductors of those electric current. So what are the material required? We need different types of liquids such as tap water, salt water, sugar syrup, honey, oil, etc. So we have to take these liquids one by one in a clean beaker or a bottle cap and make a simple circuit using 2 cells, a LED bulb, a switch and connecting wires as shown in this picture, and dip the 2 ends of the connecting wires into the liquid in one of the beaker. Here you can see some LED bulbs. We have taken this LED bulb because liquid conduct very less current than solids. So to avoid any problem, we are using LED in place of bulb. LED is a light emitting diode and it needs very less current. And LED has 2 wires, one long wire which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and the short wire that is connected to the negative terminal. So after making a simple circuit like this, then we will observe what happens. In case the bulb glows, it indicates that the liquid in the beaker or the bottle cap conducts electricity. However, if the bulb does not glow, the liquid in the beaker does not conduct electricity. So, we can say that liquids like tap water and salt water are good conductors because they are conducting the electricity and the bulb is glowing, whereas sugar syrup and honey are bad conductors because they do not conduct the electricity and bulb does not glow. Now in the next activity we are going to observe What happens when electricity is passed through distilled water and saline water? Saline water means water in which salt is added. So again we have to make a simple circuit like this, only we have to change the liquid in the beaker. Firstly, we are going to do the test with the distilled water. And you know, distilled water is a pure water and it is free from any type of salt. So we will do the connection like shown in this picture, and we are going to dip the two ends of the wire in the distilled water in the beaker. Now observe, is the bulb glowing? You will observe that the bulb does not glow. This activity clearly proves that distilled water does not conduct electricity. Next, what we are going to do? Add some common salt to the distilled water. Now dissolve the common salt by stirring with some spoon or glass rod. Now again dip the ends of the wire and complete the circuit. Now observe, does the bulb glow this time? You will note that bulb lights up. This activity clearly proves that addition of salt makes distilled water a good conductor of electricity. We can repeat the experiment or the activity by adding few drops of sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, to the distilled water, and repeat again by adding few crystals of NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide. So we are going to notice that the addition of acids and alkalis make distilled water a good conductor of electricity. So all the liquids do not conduct electricity, but liquids like solution of acid, bases and salts conduct electricity.